The Supreme Court was informed Wednesday that the National Counter-Terrorism Authority could not function due to shortage of funds and manpower. National Coordinator, National Counter-Terrorism Authority informed the court that they were facing shortage of manpower and funds. First up, he said the authority needed rupees 2 billion but was provided only rupees 100 million. First up, the NECTA coordinator told that there are 57 officers, 14 peons and 11 drivers, and presently there are 30 departments are working in NECTA. Therefore, it was unable to perform. Full stop. He further told that 503 persons had to be recruited in NECTA from various departments and agencies. Full stop. The GHQ told us that as army is busy in the Zarb-e-Azab, therefore could not provide services of army men, he added. Full stop. He said after receiving required funds, they would be in position to hire 503 persons. Full stop. The court was informed that presently the budget of NECTA is rupees 100 million, which is spent on the salaries of its employees. Full stop. The NECTA could not coordinate to combat terrorism unless it is provided the required budget. Full stop. Deputy Attorney General informed in March that a summary was sent to the Prime Minister for rupees 2 billion, but the Prime Minister Secretariat had returned it with objections, adding on July 9 they again sent the summary to Prime Minister for allocation of rupees 2 billion. Full stop. Justice Jawad observed that there were 20 points of National Action Plan. One of them was to make NECTA functional, but 8 months have passed and still Joint Intelligence Directorate could not be established. First up, the judge said the second point of National Action Plan was to stop funding to terrorist organizations. First up, about NGOs, Deputy Attorney General informed 127 international NGOs were working in the country, but only 19 were registered. Full stop. Justice Jawad said that it was difficult to monitor NGOs when most of them were not registered. Full stop. The DAG told that 259 persons apprehended involved in sending money to terrorist organizations through Hawala Hundi. Full stop. Additional Advocate General Punjab informed that there were 49,000 NGOs and 16,000 Madris operating in the province. Full stop. He told that the government had registered cases against 48 NGOs which were getting foreign funding